Hey guys, it's Annie, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do calligraphy using any pen. So basically it's a guide to fake or faux calligraphy, depending on what you want to call it. So about 3 weeks ago I did a video on how to do calligraphy using a brush pen, but I know that not everyone has one, so I thought this video will be of use to more people. I hope you enjoy, and if you would like to see more art and bullet journal content, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So first of all, I thought I would run through some supplies that you can use. Obviously there are so many more, but here are a few examples of what I like to use most. So first up is an ordinary ballpoint pen, which I'm pretty sure most people use just for everyday writing use or anything. So if you have one lying around, these are perfect for faux calligraphy. Next we have a fine liner, which I use tons in my bullet journal, and this is just handy to have on hand for whenever I need it. Then we have a fountain pen, which I'll be using for today's video, as I just love the smoothness of it and it just makes my faux calligraphy just look so much nicer as well, and I love using it. So next up we have a highlighter. You can also use a mild liner for this, as they have the same tip, but they're also really good for faux calligraphy as well. And next we have a bullet nib felt tip, but you can really use any felt tip that you like, which colours you have, because I'm pretty sure everyone has like so many colours of felt tips and you kind of need to find a use for them, so you could use them for fake calligraphy. Perfect. And lastly we just have a pencil. So now that you have chosen your supplies, you can start to practice and learn how to actually write. So the first step to faux or fake calligraphy is to write in a cursive font. This is the same font you would use in normal calligraphy, but without the stroke variations. As you can see, I'm writing the alphabet out to show you the style of writing that I like to use, but obviously you can switch up the writing style to make it more unique to you and how you like to write. I also mentioned changing up the writing style and this in my other calligraphy video, so if you want to hear more about that, I go into more detail in that video, so be sure to watch it. So with calligraphy, one of the main things you need to do is practice, but with faux calligraphy, after you've got the hang of your font, practice isn't so crucial because you don't have to practice the different brush strokes and pen grips that you would normally do when you are writing normal calligraphy. So now that you have done the base letters for your faux calligraphy, we have to make it look authentic and similar to modern calligraphy. So with your pen, go in and add an extra line on the parts of your letters that are downstrokes. And if you don't know or remember where the downstrokes are, you can just write over without touching the paper with your pen and basically just do the line down when it's the downstrokes. So whenever your pen goes down towards you. You can also just look at where I'm putting them, which is also pretty helpful as well if you're doing the letters that I am. So guys, we have made it. The final step is to colour in the gap between the line we just added and the downstroke of the letter. So if you prefer the look of the font without the colouring in, of course you could just leave it like that. But if you want to have the finished final look of modern calligraphy but fake, then I would recommend colouring the lines in. Okay guys, this is my 5th time trying to record this outro, so I'm going to get it right this time. Okay, let's go. So guys, that is how you do fake calligraphy. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, be sure to like, comment down below, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more bullet journal and art and lettering content. I upload on Thursdays and Saturdays, and make sure to hit the notification bell to see more upcoming videos. Bye guys!